And we're back to learning Inkscape, and this time I'm going to show you how to activate the dark mode. Just a quick video today. Some people are using the dark mode and you can set that under edit and preferences. Close your tools and activate the interface. The drop down, you've got a theme menu. And here's a simple box, just check it and you've got your dark mode activated. Let me uncheck that and we can also change the theme. This high contrast inverse is a dark theme by default, so you don't have to check anything. You can also change the icons. So there are basically two ways to create a dark theme. The high contrast, for example, can't be used as a dark theme as it's this color by default. You have to use the inverse, which is a dark theme by default. So you don't have to check anything here. You can also change the sizes down here for toolbox icons, for example. But if you do, you'll have to restart Inkscape to have these adjustments activated. And this is how you can activate the dark mode in Inkscape. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.